Filipino hotcakes or Filipino pancakes. This is how to prepare it. In a mixing bowl, I place in 2 cups of all-purpose flour that I sifted using a fine strainer. So this is how we sift the flour. So basically, one hand on a fine strainer and one hand that will shake the strainer so that all the flour will fall down into the mixing bowl and making sure that there's no lumps. And then I add in half a cup of powdered milk, which I sifted as well. It is important to do this procedure that way to make sure that there will be no lumps on those dry ingredients and they can easily be incorporated with other ingredients. And then I add in half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. I mix them all using my wire whisk. Then I add in my 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of yellow food coloring, and then I mix them again using a wire whisk. At first you have to mix it slowly, that way it will not spill all over the counter. And then you can mix it faster later on, like that, until everything is well combined and smooth. Just mix them all until we achieve the smooth texture like this. And now we can start cooking. So I use a butter spray on my pan, just spray a little bit, and then I measure my pancake mixture using my 1/4 cup measuring cup. That over medium heat, I cook my pancakes and then I swirl them a little bit like that so that it could spread thinly over the pan, because Filipino pancakes, they are thin in appearance. And then once you see the bubbles, they are ready to be flipped. In less than a minute, the pancake is already cooked. So this is how we finish it up. You can spread either margarine or butter on top of it, like this, as much as you want. It's up to your choice. And then sprinkle some granulated sugar on top of it. And that's it. It's ready to be tasted. So this is how we eat it. We basically fold it and then take your big bite on it. It tastes really delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. Enjoy! Chibuga na!